it's Evie from Wish Farms. It's that time of year when everyone is dipping berries, so today we're going to be giving you guys a little tutorial on how to dip strawberries for beginners. Okay, so for this, we're going to need some Wish Farms strawberries. We've got milk chocolate flavored almond bark as well as vanilla almond bark, some parchment paper, a microwave safe dish, and some toothpicks. So after rinsing our Wish Farms strawberries, we're gonna pat them dry. Definitely wanna have a dry strawberry just because the almond bark will seize if it's not dry and it mixes with water. So now that our berries are fully dry, we're gonna add our milk chocolate flavored almond bark to a microwave safe dish, and we're gonna microwave it for about a minute. So if you notice after 1 minute your chocolate's still not fully melted, feel free to add it in for 30-second bursts. So now that our almond bark is fully melted, we're gonna prep our strawberries for dipping. So we're gonna take a toothpick and we're gonna stick it right in the top of the strawberry. And now our strawberry's not going anywhere. So now that our strawberries are prepped, we're gonna go ahead and dip them. So holding the strawberry by the leaves, we're gonna get a full dip. So we're gonna go in, gonna rotate your strawberry just a little bit so it's fully covered. You're gonna take it out, give it a little shake to take off the excess. Give it a little wipe. And we're gonna lay it on some parchment paper.